Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're going to draw a sailboat that's floating in the water with some puffy clouds.
Yeah.
You like sailboats?
Yeah.
They're really fun. Have you been on a sailboat before?
I'm not sure.
Sailboats are pretty cool. They're really nice and like a fun way to just enjoy the outdoors. So for that, let's grab a piece of paper, grab a marker, a pencil, whatever you have, and let's get started. For this, we're going to start on towards kind of like the bottom middle part of the page, and we're going to draw a line that goes pretty much across like this, like that.
From here?
Yeah, from left to right or from right to left. Just make a straight line. Okay, and then what we're going to do is draw a curve going down and straight across like this, and then on this part I'm going to curve this up. Yep, and keep going, keep going, keep going, and then we're going to curve that up going like that way towards the top right at an angle. Yep. And then what we're going to do is we're going to connect these two parts together. So I'm going to finish this off by going like this and like that. Beautiful. Yep, exactly. And then how about we'll draw another line right here across this. So just another line that just goes across here to the right there. And it's already starting to kind of look like a boat, right?
Yeah.
So our boat's going this way because it's pointing, that part's pointing that way, okay? And then let's draw like an upper kind of cabinet area. So for that, we're just gonna draw a line going up like that.
Like storage kind of?
Yeah, it's like where the people are. And then draw a line straight across to somewhere around there. Maybe a little bit more. And then just curve it down towards the right like that. Okay, and now let's draw this long rod. This is what the sails are gonna be connected to, okay? So for that, we're gonna make a line that goes from the top over here, going down to the top part of the boat.
From here?
Yeah, like somewhere in the middle of the boat. Yep, to the very top part. And then we're gonna just continue making another line to make it look like a rod. So you're gonna make it like a thick, exactly, like that. So we're gonna make this like pole for it, okay? Let's draw a line from here to here. So for the bottom of the sail, I'm just gonna turn my page so it's easier for me to draw. So let's do somewhere from going like this. Something like that. So it's sticking a little bit out of the boat. And then I'm gonna make another line that's gonna run parallel to it. So the same type, just a little bit thick, but not too thick. And then connect the two together like that. So for the first sail, let's make a curvy line, or you can make just a straight diagonal line going like this. So from here to here. I'm gonna do a curvy one, so I'm gonna do something like this, like that. You can make a straight line if you want, or a curve. Yep, exactly. And then for this part, what we'll do is this sail is gonna start somewhere up here, and it's gonna go down to the very nose front part of the sailboat. So what I'll do is just make a diagonal line going straight down to the tippy top of the nose, like that. Yep. And then now it'll be easier for us to draw that line over here so we know how long it's gonna be. So somewhere a little bit lower than this pole, we'll just draw a line that goes like that. And then another one right under it, so it's about the same thickness as that one, so like that. Straight across. Yep, and look at that. How about we'll add a few more details to this boat to make it a little bit more fun?
Yeah.
How about we'll add a face?
Yeah.
You like faces? Little cute face? Okay, so for that, I'm gonna add maybe some eyes over here. So a curve for one eye and a curve for the other. So they're just kind of like these U shapes, maybe some eyelashes and a smiley face Ta-da! That looks like a happy boat. And then how about we add some water? So for that, we're just gonna make some wavy marks. So just go like this. And we'll do it on the other side too. So just make some curves. So they're basically just some U shapes that are connected to each other. And starting from this part of the boat, going the other direction. There we go. Beautiful. And then we'll make a few more waves, maybe here, maybe there, just in different spots. So it looks like it's in the water. Maybe a few more here, maybe another one right there. Yep, exactly. And maybe to just round it off, how about some clouds?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let's do a cloud up here. So for that, let's just draw a straight line going from one side to the other. Yep. And then just draw some puffy upside down U shapes, and they can be different sizes, different heights. I'm gonna do something like that. And if it comes a little too long, you can extend the line. Ah, beautiful. And then we'll maybe make another one. I'm gonna make one that's looks like it's behind the sailboat. So I'll make that bottom part of the cloud extend out that way. And then again, I'll make these upside down U shapes. And then it'll look like that. Exactly. And that's pretty much it. You guys can add more details to the sailboats. You can make lines, you can make curves. I'm just gonna maybe add a little heart to my sails.
Yeah.
So I'll just add a little heart right over here. And if you want to, Lila, you can add some lines or whatever you want. Some extra decorations, maybe add a person. You guys can do whatever you want. But at this point, I think the sailboat is pretty much finished.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can also make windows if you want. But this is just like the very beginning, very basic sailboat. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and color our sailboats. We're gonna speed up the video and you guys can pause and color yours in and then come back and see how we did. Ready?
Yep.
All right, and here are our colored sailboats. Lila, let's show yours. Ooh, looks like you added some extra decorations. So let me see, show me what you did.
Just add more hearts and add a person.
You added more hearts and a person?
Uh-huh.
And I think you added, what are these?
Windows.
Windows, that's so cute. I love that you did that. What is this person doing?
Swimming.
That's pretty cool. I love it. I love how you just took what we did together, but then you added some of your own details and decorations. What did you think about doing this one?
It was really fun.
Yeah. And then here's mine. Mine is pretty much the same. I just added, the color and everything. And so thank you so much for doing this drawing exercise with us. And we hope you enjoyed it. And we'd love to see how your drawing turned out. So please take a photo of it and share with us. The information is right under the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples like this from us, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.